Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a little video on the Discovery 2 today. It's just a quick one to show you what we've been doing with it and whereabouts we am, and if everything's going well. So here we go. Right, as you may remember from earlier videos, these two doors had massive gouge down them, quite a deep gouge down the doors. So we've painted them up, as you can see. Painted that whole door there, and we painted that one yesterday. So it's going to have to be just flatted back because there is a little bit of orange peel on it, but not a great deal. It has come out quite well considering how cold it is. So we've done that. We've got to black these out. Wheels and everything are done. As you've seen on the previous video, the headliner's done it on the inside. It's dark, but headliner's done as well. We've still got to clean the interior up, but the interior is pretty good on this one anyway. There is that there that's going to have to be painted, but that's been just sanded down, ready for paint. And also we've got a starting issue with it. So recently, when we've tried to start the car, we just get a click. It's like battery symptoms, but not quite. Just turn the key, get a click. So we're going to have a look at that in a bit. First thing to go through is the relay. Just make sure that the starter relay is doing what it should be. It sounds like it is, because it sounds like the starter clicking and not the relay itself. So I think the relay's turning the power on, but the starter's not making a connection. These starters are well known for getting corrosion around the sort of connectors, which is a round circle, which circles I'm normally around. When you press them together, there's no connection because there's all build up on there, but we're going to get that up and we're going to show you what we're going to do with that. So we'll do a video on that, but other than that, it's booked in for an MOT on Tuesday, so this could hopefully be another one saved from the scrap. So we'll see how that goes. Right, it's all painted there and being polished. We've got a new problem that it only starts occasionally. You get a ticking noise, like as if the battery was flat. So when we try and start the car, it just ticks. Sometimes it'll start, you got to turn the key 4 or 5 times sometimes to get it to go. Sometimes it won't go at all. So if we put the 12 volts directly to where the relay would send its 12 volts, you can hear the starter clicking, and then it tried to start. So what that is, the contacts in the starter are probably all gummed up and terrible. So you can hear it there trying to start. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the starter without taking it off. So we're just going to take the cap off the starter, take the connection rings out that connect when you press the turn the key, and clean them up, and hopefully that will fix the starting problem. So the thing that's causing the problem, we think, is inside here, which is the plunger that's activated by the solenoid, and the contacts on this get dirty and then it won't start. So you got 3 8mm bolts to take out. 1, 2 of them easy-ish to get to. The third one not so easy. I don't know if this will go on, this one. No, it's too close to the starter itself, so gonna have to be done with the open end. I might be covering your view here, but I'm just undoing the bolts. So to get your damn arms up here. These are quite long bolts, so the little cap can hold it on. There you go. So we've got them, that should come off now. There you go. And then there's a little gasket there. And there's the plunger there. And all it is, this ring here touches on the inside of there, and that's what makes the connection. So we'll clean this up, and there's 2 contacts on the inside of there, either side. We'll clean them up as well, and then hopefully that will fix our starting problem. So while that cleans that one out, I'm gonna get in here and just clean these contacts as well. You probably can't see what I'm doing, but there's 2 contacts inside there. Let me show you closer. Just inside there, you can see both of them. Look, them 2 contacts clean now. So we'll do that now. Right, so we've cleaned the contacts in there best as possible. It's a bit difficult inside there, and we've cleaned them on the end of this bit as well there, just around that edge. So nice and simple, that just goes back in there like that, and that's what you can hear when nothing's happening. And then the cover, and that, which goes on there.
I told you do no good at all. It's shining, it's shining directly onto there.
I'll put that on this actually. It's probably better if it's on there. Yeah. And then my head torch. Aim at anything I want it to aim at. 2-handed jolt here, I think. That one there, like that.
Is this torch? I'll shine it up there.
There you go, that's done. So I'm going to tighten these 2 in. I won't film that and bore you with them, but I'll tighten them 2 in and then we'll give it a go.
Right, so that's all been replaced. We're going to bring it down now, hook the battery back up, and if we've done it properly or if it works, we will be able to start it, and it should start first time every time. So we'll see what happens now. So we'll reattach the battery. Got the socket there, doesn't it? Try another. This is one of the few batteries that the clamps actually tighten down on. See? Normally you find screws and everything there.
Not with that one, it won't.
No, I'll give it that one. That's an 8mm. We'll tighten that down anyway, and then we'll try to start the relays back in. So it's a 13, ain't it? There we go. Hey. So this is the first start. And there we go, no click, no nothing. Straight away. What we have got though is the ABS lights on, which wasn't on before. So we're going to have to plug the Hawkeye in and find out what that is. And then on Tuesday it can go in for its MOT and see if we can get it back on the road. Please like and subscribe. We'll do a video on the ABS lights on this just to see what they are. But for now, if you've got a bad starter and you need it fixing, that's how to do it. See you later. Hello. New video. Problems with ABS lights. We've had many problems with ABS lights. We've got one just come onto this. Wasn't on there before, so we're going to plug the Hawkeye in and we're going to see what ABS issues we have. We'll show you.